Welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to track on USPS mobile app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an USPS mobile application. You can see over here USPS application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like track, inform delivery, buy stamps, prices, click and ship, locations, etc. Simply tap on the first option, that is track. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to track. All you have to do is simply add a tracking number over here. You'll also be able to see the label formats over here. You'll be able to see the label formats for USPS tracking, priority mail, certified mail, collect on delivery, etc. So if you want to track, what you have to do is simply tap on this bar that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is enter the tracking number over here. Simply enter the tracking number as displayed in your shipping label or confirmation. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll also be able to see the status. Likewise, you can also track using the barcode. For that, what you have to do is tap on the scan option that you can see right over here. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to scan. All you have to do is frame a barcode or QR code inside the green guide. After that, you'll be able to scan it. Like this too, you'll be able to track. So that is how you track on USPS mobile app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.